Join me for a tour of the art room sink. It has two basins. Those are the openings on the left and the right that can hold water. It has a faucet, two knobs, left and right. The left is the cold water. That's the one we use the most. You'll see paper towels, low and high, and the black soap dispenser there on the wall. Notice the red sign that says "Do not drink" from this fixture. There are also hand wipes on the right-hand side of every sink. Next to the sink is the place where the brushes live. When they are dry and clean, they can go into their respective places. Each kind of brush has its own cup. Only clean brushes should be put back in the cup with the bristles up. Usually in the sink also is a dirty water cup. So over here, there's a place to put the bristles down into some water so that any paint we've been using will not harden on the brushes. If you are given an art job to do brush spa, that means you're going to grab brushes and kind of churn them down into the bottom of that dirty water to get the bristles clean. You can do this with some warm running water and then put the clean brushes into the black strainer. Also look at each brush closely and make sure it doesn't need some extra care to clean its hair. It might even need some soap. Clean brushes may be put over in the strainer. There are also some cleaned items in the strainer that can be put away, including these lids that have been roughly cleaned. And some dirty lids can be placed under the strainer until someone has a job to clean those palettes. Notice the stack of water cups. Whenever you are finished with a water cup, you dump it low in the sink and place it back into the tower. And whenever you need to get some water, you grab it from the top of the tower and fill it halfway full of water. You might have a job to fill several cups of water, in which case you can repeat that until you have as many cups as needed. Usually 2 per table, which would be 16 in a full classroom with 8 full tables. If you need cups or palette lids, they are down in the cabinet if you don't see them in the sink. Here again is how you would take some dirty water after an art project during cleanup time, pour it down low into the drain, and stack it back into the tower. And there you have it, the art room sink.